let's start, sir. Our number one question, sir. What are your positive and negative experiences? Unsa ang imong positibo ug negatibo nga mga kasinatian?
Oh, first, the positive side, uh, as a tourist police officer, we experience the privilege, free accommodation during our trip or our tour of duty along or in any tourist destinations. We are free and accommodated. Then in negative side, the negative experience, we encounter deficient or shortage during the in regards with the kerosene or gasoline and communication device during our tour of duty.
Okay, sir. Thank you. The next question, sir. What are the challenges you encountered as tourist police officers? Unsa ang mga hagit nga imong nasugatan isip mga pulis sa turista?
The possible challenges we encounter during our tour of duty as a police officer or tourist police personnel. One is the to our office. One is the lack of financial support, because at the present status of our office is in temporary status. So in dealing in connection in the regards of the financial status, we do not have we cannot enjoy for example, we cannot avail vehicle or any communication devices for the better and good quality of good services during our tour of duty. And when we also encounter challenges during in our tour of duty, we experience for example crimes like theft, robbery in our tour of duty. So at the we it is we safety the tourists, and as of at the same time we safety also the surroundings, the perimeter or our bit. Okay.
Sir, thank you, sir. The next question, sir. What are the strategies you employed during rescue operations? Unsa ang mga estratehiya ang imong gigamit sa panahon sa peligrosong mga operasyon?
As a tourist police officer, we are not exposed in a risk operation, because like anti-drugs operations, manhunt operations, or any operations that would be that serve as our duty. But as initiative by our chief, or by initiative or verbal instruction by our provincial director or any higher officials, we do these operations, not just the tourist police, but the other the other tasks and safety mechanisms. Then in we do the strategies as what, in daily operations or daily routine of our tour of duty. We we render duties in the public areas. We conduct interviews or conduct police visibilities or presence
Yes, sir.
in the area as to for able to to be able to be familiarized to the area and familiarized by the people as to their safety and to their safety for the people and every establishment or business establishments in the area.
So next, the last question, sir. How do you deal with your challenges during mission or operations? Giyon sa nimo pag-atubang ang imong mga hagit sa panahon sa mga mission o operasyon?
We deal it as a tourist of tourist police officer. Our daily challenges is to serve the people, to serve life and property. It is the very mission of the PNP. So what is the mission and vision of the PNP organization? We execute it by rendering duties heartily, and not just heartily but effectively. No?
Yes, sir.
That would be all.
Sige, sir. So, thank you so much, sir, for allowing us to interview you, sir.